Hi, welcome to my online English classes for intermediate. In this video, we are discussing the topic locus, which is in the part of mathematics, part B. Take a look at the question. This is from Academy textbook for both states, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Please take a look at the question. Find the locus of the point whose difference from the points minus pi comma 0 and pi comma 0 is 8. Now, first of all, we have to write the starting steps for this topic, which is let p of x1, y1 be any point in locus. Fine. Later we have to mention the given points in the question. So the question contains 2 points. The first one minus pi comma 0, simply write down as capital A minus pi comma 0 and capital B 5 comma 0. He says the difference of these 2 points from the locus point is 8. That means we can write like this: PA minus PB equal to 8. The question says it's a difference, so take a modulus sign. Because it's a difference, we have to take the modulus sign, and this is equal to 8. Now we know that removing the modulus sign will gives you plus or minus value. So write down PA minus PB equal to plus or minus 8. This implies PA equal to plus or minus 8 plus PB. This negative PB is transformed to other side. Negative quantity become positive quantity. That is minus PB transformed to plus PB. Now, for getting the next step, we have to do whole square on both sides, like this. And PA square, the point capital A is minus pi comma 0 and the point P is x1, y1. PA means distance between the points P and A, we have formula x1 minus x2, that is x1 minus of minus 5 whole square, this one, BA. You have to take a look at the point P and A only for writing PA. The point P is already, it is x1, y1. You have to assume this point, capital A, as x2, y2. The formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2. y2, the value of y2 is 0 here, whole square, and over root, because we are not writing over root because it is already whole square. So there is no need to write over root for this expression. Next, equal to, it look like a plus b whole square. So a square, that is plus or minus 8 whole square, plus b square, that is bb square, plus 2a p. P stands for p. This implies x1 minus of minus plus 5 whole square, y1 minus 0, you know that it is just y1, so y1 square, plus or minus whole square means it is a positive always, and 8 square, we know that it is 64, and pb square, we already know the point P is x1, y1, and for the point B, you have to assume while doing PB, you have to assume like the point B is x2, y2. Now write down PB square, x1 minus x2 whole square, so x1 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Later, here also square value exists, here also, like we did earlier step. There is no need to make a root here for distance of PB. Next step, plus into plus or minus is plus or minus. 8 2s are 16, PB, fine. Take a look at the both sides, y1 square cancel. Now expand this one like a plus b whole square. Use the formula for this to expand this x1 plus 5 whole square. x1 square plus 5 square is 25 plus 2ab, that means 2 into 5 into x1, 10x1, which is equal to 64. Use the formula a minus b whole square for expanding this expression, x1 minus 5 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Later, keep this term same. Now take a look at both of the sides. If the same terms exist, and cancel those terms. So x1 square and 25 are exist on both of the sides. so they are cancelled. Next step, write the remaining terms on both of the sides. So 10x1 is equal to 64 minus 10x1 plus or minus 16 pb. Except this term, move all the remaining terms on the other side. 10x1 plus 10x1 minus 64 equal to plus or minus 16 pb. I just moved this 64 here and also this minus 10x1 here. 10x1 plus 10x1 is 20x1 minus 64 equal to plus or minus 16 pb. These two terms has a common factor 4. So take the 4 as a common factor. We have 5x1 minus 16, which is equal to plus or minus 16 pb. 4 goes to 16 in 4 times. So 5x1 minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 4 pb. 4 goes to 16 in 4 times. Fine. As a next step, square on both of the sides. Squaring on both of the sides. So plus or minus 4 pb whole square. Use the formula a minus b whole square for expanding this 5x1 minus 16 whole square. A square means 5x1 whole square, that is 25x1 square. B square means 16 square, which is 256. Minus 2ab means minus 2 into 5x1 into 16, 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 16, 160 x1. Plus or minus whole square is plus only, 4 square is 16 and pb whole square is pb square. That implies 25x1 square plus 256 minus 160x1, which is equal to 16 of pb square. So we already did in earlier steps, which is x1 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Here in this step, this is pb square. Fine. This implies 25x1 square plus 256 minus 160 x1, which is equal to 16 of, use the formula a minus b whole square for expanding this expression. A square means x1 square, b square is 5 square 25, minus 2ab is minus 10 x1 plus y1 square, which implies that 25x1 square plus 256 minus 160x1, which is equal to 16x1 square. 16 25s 400 minus 10 into 16 160x1 plus 16 into y1 square, 16y1 square. Take a look at the both of the sides. If there is any terms, same sign and same type of values, cancel them and move the terms on the same side. 25x1 square plus 256 minus 16x1 square minus 400 minus 16y square, which is equal to 0. 25x1 square minus 16x1 square, 9x1 square minus 16y1 square, 256 minus 400 minus 144 is equal to 0, which implies that 9x1 square minus 16y1 square is equal to 144. Divide the entire expression with 144. Thus we will get the locus. This implies x1 square by 16 because 9 goes to 144 16 times. 16 goes to 144 in 9 times. 144 goes to 144 in 1 time. Therefore, locus is replace x1 with x, y1 with y. We have the locus. This is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. If you understand this problem, give a thumbs up to my teaching and comment as your wish. I am Yavendra, lecturer in mathematics. Thank you.